How would you regard this card? Will we hold it this way? I'm looking for the marker to mark it down. If we hold the card this way, and I put a line this way, and I put a line this way, I get 1, 1, 1. I get a compartment here, halfway between here and here, then halfway between here and here. It's 2 compartments, 3 compartments, 4 compartments. The center compartment will own 2 compartments. In this half, it'll own 2 compartments. In this half, it'll own 2 compartments. In this side, it'll own 1 compartment, 1 compartment, and 1 compartment in each side of this one. It'll be whole in here, it'll be half in here. It'll be whole on this side. This is what we put it together. We call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 4. Birth, 1 times 4, 1 plus 4 equals 5, the sun. This card is represented in 6, 7, and 8. Second part of this video is about 9, 11. When I hold my card this way, I got X1, I got 9. This is 5 and this is 2. The 5th letter is a B. The 2nd letter is a B. The 5th letter is an E. 5 and 2 equals 7G. B and G. In order to get B and G, you automatically must have that dot, which is A. A and B must come together. B and A come together. This side or that side. B-U-G-S. More or less, let's say, Bugs Bunny, because the Y is the 25th letter. When you make 11, 2 and 5, or 5 and 2, this is 11. 9 equals 42, benign. 42 equals 84. B is 2. 2 times 42 equals 84. 2 times 63 is 126. 216, 210, making it the cube of 1 man. Cube of man. It will have 5 to the left and 1 to the right, equaling to 11. 5 and 2 equals to 7. The 27th letter is Y and the 25th letter is Y, equaling to 52 again. B-U-G-Y. The Y letter, the 25th letter, okay, in the 5th letter of the B family is an R, making it the rabbit. Bugs Bunny, more or less. That's the way she involves herself. 1 and 6, 2 and 5, 3 and 4. Here is your 1, here is your 6. Here is your 2, here is your 5. Here is your 3, and here is your 4, and here is your 4, and here is your 4. 1, 4, 3, 4. C, D, B and G, Y. Y, C, D, the split of the energy of AF, P, which is of the light. Federation, federale, 15, the egg of 6. 15 and 6, 0, 6 equals to 66, and 15 equals to 81. 9 times 9 is 81, Venus. 9 this way, 11 this way. 24th letter and the 9th letter. 24th letter, and if we use this as the letter L, as the small letter L, would be 12. 12 and 24 equals 36, 36, 72, creation of 72. 27, the 27th letter, 72, GB, B and G, 9, 11. All inside the reality of what they have created in the perfection. Blackjack, they win. 10, 7. 2 times 5, 2 plus 5 equals 10 and 7, 17. Stand on B, Raphael, 7286 in the constellation of Pegasus. Cleaning up, putting things away. One last thing, I'm not finished yet. This circle, okay, does not have to go this way. This is one part of one side and the other part of the other side. But the reality is the center of this totality here is only in the middle over here, where you relink both sides. Or do we have to overlap? These will all turn into the R letters and fish. Usually you do 2 at a time. You do this side, then you do this side. This side is in and out, east and west. It's either one or the other. The N letter, there's a passageway. On the bottom, she's going down and then she's going up. She goes around and she comes back the other way. Here is the center of the exchange, right over here. See the box over here? I can't explain it. I can only show you what I see right now. The heartbeat, or the peaks and the valleys, between the mountains and the valleys, where the rivers and the waters run between, before it ends at the flatlands. The H family is the E family. H is E. It's 4 areas of B. 2, 4, 6, 8 is the B and E family. When everything starts, when E comes into play, is with B. 2 and 5 is 7. 1, 2, 4 equals 7. The bad cat. It's inside numbers. 101. 2 T 20 equals 26. So automatically 20 equals 26 equals 8. 2 now equals 8. 0, 2 now equals 8. 8 and 8. The B family, 2 numbers. The K is the 11th letter. 1 and 1 is 2. The B is the 29th letter. 2 and 9 is 11. 1 and 1 is 2. 29, 31, 40 from B and B. 4 plus 0 is 4 and 6. That equals 10. 0 equals 6. 1 and 6 equals 8, 7, 8. 512 memory. AC memory, the ACB memory. D times B equals H. But when it equals H, it's missing 2. There's 2 in between here, so we're missing F. So it becomes FH. One links the other. The first part of the H family, because H is when A and A come together. When A and A come together, you have gathered up all the sides of the A family, which is the B family. 2, 4, 6, 8, H. H and A is 9 to birth. 1, 7, 8, and 9. The F letter is the 6th letter. EF, EL, EM, EN. Minus in all of these worlds. Minus in all these worlds. We're connecting. L, 5112 memory. M equals to this memory of the AC transmission inside the sun. The 13th and the 5th letter, ACE, says ACE, with inside the sun. See the way we work? 1 inside of 3 inside of 1. 2 and 2. 2 sets here, 2 sets here, 2 sets here, 2 sets here. 2 and 2 is 4. 3 and 1. 1, 1, 3 and 1, 3 and 1, 3 and 1. The leap year, boom, we have transmission. 4 sets. You need all 4 sets to make 1. The cross, being on the cross. J is the 10th letter in the first house. 101. D, 2, 2, 2. 2 to the left, 2 to the center, 2 to the right. Since the rotation is with the sun, 2 to the left becomes 4, 2 to the right becomes 6. MB memory, 4 and 2. 2, 2, 2 times 7, 7th gate. 29, 31, 41, 42, 52, 62 is the total. 20, 31, 32, 33, 43, 53, 62. The queen, 6 and 2 again, 6 and 2 again, 6 and 2. How do we create it? 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 plus 6 is 14. And 48 equals 62. 2 times 2 is 4. By 2 is 6. By 2 is 8. 2, 2, 2 is 6. Recreating within itself. This is the pool game. The L is the 12 ball. It goes with the 4. So we can't count this. Can we count the L going with the 4? L goes with the 4. 1 and 2 is 3. 4 becomes 3 inside L, the 7th gate. The same scenario. L is the 12th letter. The 4 is the D letter. D and L, disabled list. Why do we put them together? This is the 12th letter. The other is 4. 412, the bad cat. 512, memory. F and G, the 7th gate of the mind. Do we need the spirit or the moon in it? No, because it's the area we go to. We go to the 6. Through the 7th gate from 8, we go to the 6. We get everything we need in all the worlds. We bring it back. 13 is AC, the letter L. She says she is the AC memory. The sun is the birth. And the N letter is the egg. 5, 6, and 7, 13, 14, 15, and pull, 18, 20, 22. This is the R letter. It says ace, and it says 18 is the angel heaven. Is it a resident angel? It is the R letter, A and H, bringing you life within 1 and 5. 1 times 5, 1 plus 5 equals 5 and 6. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. It also says fuel, energy. Eiffel Tower, fuel, energy, F and L, the first two. The first and the last in the first session is 14 and 620, 13 and 1225, equaling to 45. The Fox Terrier. Terrier standing for Earth, the lie, and Fox equals to 1 and 9, the birth. Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching. One more thing. When you split aces, you split the kill. Split, K. K is the 11th letter. Split the kill. Because that's what it says. Not me. The letters. Thank you.